Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to change the fingerprint animation on Oppo A74. So let's do it. Now this is my fingerprint animation and I want to change it. If you want to do this, it is very easy. Just go to settings and here scroll down and we have personalizations. And here we have fingerprint animation. Press on this feature and from here you can change the fingerprint animation. This is now, and let's choose another one. Let's say for example this, and now let's exit and let's taste it. And I hope you see it. This is how it looks now. And let's change another one. Choose this one and now let's exit. And now let's see how it looks, this fingerprint animation. I will put my finger here on the edge on the fingerprint to see it, and it's working. And now let's taste another one. Let's choose for example this. I will exit, lock the screen, and let's see how it looks. And this is how it looks. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.